girls. Hey, girls.
For their first time playing with pots and pans.
Here's Collins with the spatula. Here's Lenny with a whisk. Hi, darling. Collins is in her Halloween bib because it's almost Halloween. Hey, Caroline. Hi, darling. Yes. Yeah, shake that hair. Shake that hair. Shake it.
It's Sunday the 26th at 10:41 in October.
That doesn't taste good, silly.
In 2008.
Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Hey, cutie. Here's Big Sister Devin. She helps. We got a whole band. Hey, girls.
Hey, go.